one last thing. I think I saw that you were doing some SQL requests, right?
Yeah, I'm
And
always using a Postgres SQL database directly with select and not with a API calls.
Okay. Because when you fetch a collection, it's just to get data, right? In the workflow,
yeah.
If you wish to send data, you should create an action for that, not through an action. You don't have an insert in your action.
I think let's say.
I think you had that. Can you show the workflow again?
Yeah.
Yeah, in here
I send a complete string which is composed from many other. Wait a minute. Connection.
Yeah, this is a collection.
This connection uses a composite string. I can show you. Actually, this is really a great thing. I think I use this one. Okay, let me see.
You've got the
edit formula. This is just one string which is composed of many substrings.
Okay.
Because I had a question in the community when I'm using the same string without these variables, it doesn't work. But if I combine all these strings together, I can easily update and do anything what I like.
Oh, I should show you a nice trick for this right now. So instead of using many variables in here, you should create your own formula. So what you can do is in this panel, instead of collections, at the top left of your screen, you can go back here in here. Perfect. And here you've got formulas, you see?
Yeah.
And you can create your own formula. So let's try this. So click add in here, call it a query or something as you wish. Nice. And you can click, you can add parameters. You see in here, you've got a little plus button, a bit hidden.
A plus button?
Yeah, just below. You've got
here,
parameters. Yeah, here. And you can create inputs for your formula. So this is all your variables.
Yeah.
So let's call it test, for example. Okay, you can give it a test value too. So if you wish to test your formula, clear.
Okay.
So something perfect. And in the on the right on the formula.
Yeah.
In here you can let's do it properly. You know what? Let's toggle it to JavaScript. So you see you've got formula at the top. It's select input on the panel on the right, and in here, really at the top of it, you've got formula. And in here you can instead use JavaScript. And you see in here you've got return. So let's create your string in here. So after return, yeah, you can type in space, and it's the it's not the quote, it's the single quote, but the one, you know, a bit yes, not that one.
The backtick.
The backtick, thank you, Q.
you mean that? No,
not that one. You've got three quotes: a double quotes, a single one,
single quotes,
and a backtick. It's like a single quote, but
it's
the one I sent in the chat.
Accent.
It depends on. It's near your enter key if you are in a Mac.
Well, I have a German keyboard.
Yeah, I've known this one when I was working in Berlin. Yeah, that's
maybe you send it in the chat, then I can copy it.
Yeah. But basically, you can use like JavaScript string interpolation if you know it. Using backticks and curly braces, but maybe that will take too long. But basically, what you can do is generate the whole string.
Yeah, let's make it simple. So use the quotes like you used in the formula before, So for example,
I think I
open a
use
quote.
this one.
Yeah, and type in a fake query like insert or select yes,
Select
something like
from,
this.
yeah.
Select star from table, something like this.
Oops.
Or for example, yes, and you can close the quote.
Actually, I have used the double quotes, but it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's the same. And in here, for example, if you wish to use your variable, you can just type in plus, and then you go to the Lightning tab. So the third one, the third tab. Yeah.
This
so
one.
you've got no the tabs. So yes, the third one, just the Lightning one. No.
The what?
Just above, you've got variables, data, you know, some icons.
Yeah, I got
and
them here.
Yes, just at the right of this, you've got vars. No. It's yeah. You
the
will
lightning
find
icon.
it. Yeah, this one.
From the workflow. Yeah.
Exactly. And then you can use your parameter from before, and you see you've got from DDD.
Yeah.
Well, and okay,
it's just some space missing. Yeah.
Exactly. So let's keep it like this, and then what you can do is go back to your collection.
You need to create the formula first.
Yeah. Yes. Please create this one. Some create buttons remain.
Then I go to my collections.
Collections, exactly. And you can create a new one too, or duplicate one you already created, so you don't have to redo what you did. Yes, perfect.
I call it a little bit. Okay, let's say test. Doesn't matter.
You need to select the first block to do that.
Yeah.
Yes, in here.
The right test of doesn't matter. Yeah, okay, test.
Okay. So
it continue.
Yeah. And in your query in here, instead of using your variables, you're going to use your custom formula.
Oh yeah, here, exactly.
So it's really from project, perfect. And you've got SQL query, you see it? And then you can put in your string instead. It's so you can quote. You need to
here?
fill in your variables. Yes, in here, exactly. And before you type in, in here you can type in what you want, fill in what you want.
You mean what I want to find?
Exactly. This is the variable. Exactly. Or you could select a variable from an element on your page too. It's really like you want.
Well, I don't know what I'm looking for. Let's say.
If you do that, you need to remove the quotes.
Yeah. Okay. No, I just.
Yeah.
And remove the variable here, the SQL update string. And perfect. Yeah. You see?
I see. Yeah, of course.
So you can add multiple parameters. You can as many variables as you have, and so you can have a nice single place where you put your full query. So if you need to update it, it's much more easier than using many variables.
Basically, what we've done with Gina, and we encourage everybody to do this, is that it's the same here as using like formulas or variables, but everything that you can abstract so that you only have one place to update everything. So you don't do like copy pasting all the time, and meaning you can use this formula everywhere now. So in your workflows or even in your collections, so you don't have to recreate the query all the time. Yeah,
exactly.
Okay, so well, I have no more wish for tonight.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm happy.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, not bye. I stay with you.